The children absolutely loved the workshop today. To have a musician in their school with the calibre of YolanDa Brown has just been absolutely amazing for them. Working with the children, directing them and really bringing out some skills that they have and sort of encouraging them to be musicians, and the power that music has on their lives and what it can bring to them has been really eye-opening for them. YolanDa was really personable with the children. She allowed them to ask her all sorts of questions. I just really feel encouraged them to see music as part of something that they can put in their lives and they can have in their lives some reap benefits from.
I think the thing I love most about these workshops is just seeing the wonder on these young people's faces. They already love music, you can tell. You know, that's the first question I asked them. They love it because it calms them, it makes them happy. So then to see live musicians and to be able to interact with them, I think is the absolute gift, you know, and for us as well as the musicians, it's just lovely.
Well, I learned today how new words about new techniques on the xylophones.
My favourite part of today's session was listening to new sounds I never heard before.
And my favourite part of this session was playing on the xylophones.
It feels very expressive.
It feels exciting playing with my classmates and YolanDa because I can express myself in different ways.
Students today, they were so confident, you know. Usually sometimes I love improvisation and asking somebody else to lead or play a rhythm that we'll all follow. And when I asked, you know, any volunteers, every hand went up, which is just really beautiful to see. And, you know, they were all reacting really well, clapping each other and complimenting each other. I think that's a lovely environment to grow up in, so a really lovely school.
At Griffin Primary School, we would like to thank YolanDa Brown and all of her team, Ricky and Charlie, who were here today, and to the team at Enable for reaching out to us and coordinating this event, and to Wandsworth Council for funding these opportunities for our children. It's been an amazing afternoon, incredibly enriching for our children, and it's something we're going to be talking about for the rest of their primary days and beyond. So thank you very much.